Good morning, boys. Okay, boys, it's very easy to read the time from the digital clock. Yes? Remember, yesterday we have talked about the digital clock and analog clock. What type of the clock is this? Anybody can say? No, just tell me what type of the clock is this one? Raise your hand, please. Yes, Ali. What type of the clock is this one? Because you are not actively listening to me, so you don't know even what I have asked. The last boy, sorry, what is your name? Let him tell his name on his own, please. What is your name? Yeah, what type of the clock is this one? Sorry? Whether analog or digital? Yes, Saud, what type of the clock is? Analog clock. The, now, in the analog clock, we have the two hands actually, yes? The smaller hand and the larger hand. The smaller hand is called the hours hand, and the larger hand is called the minute hand. Okay, that we learned in our yesterday's class. Now, before we start this one, we will learn how to read the time from the clock, from the analog clock. Bilal, we will learn how to read the time from the analog clock. Now, remember, if your minute hand, I'm talking about the minute hand. If your minute hand is at, let's suppose the minute hand is at 1, it will show the 5 minutes. Okay? Between that, you can see there are 5 small lines like 6, 7, 8, 9, and then when it will be at 2, it will show what it will show? Bilal, when the minute hand, which one is the minute hand from them? The board is here. Why are you looking on that side? The longer. When the longer hand is at 1, how many minutes it shows? Say from by speaking, don't just point. Yes, Muhammad. How many minutes? 5 minutes. Good. And when it will be at 2, 10 minutes. Yes? Okay. When it will be at 3? No, you got. Yes? When at 4? 20 minutes. When at 5? When at 6? 30 minutes. Okay? Okay, no problem. So when it will be, listen boys, when the minute hand will be at 7, it means 35 minutes. When it will be at 8, no, everybody got it, yes? At 9, 45 minutes. At 10, 50 minutes. Very good. At 11, 55 minutes. Yes? Okay. When it will be at 12, it becomes 60 minutes. And when we say at 12, when it will be at 12 mean 60 minutes. 60 minutes, and on the clock we don't write 60, it will show 00 on the clock. Okay? Understood? Clock will never show you 60 minutes. Yes, on the digital we are talking. Okay? Understood that? Now, next thing. Come on, boys. What about if your hour hand? If the hour hand is at, listen, excuse me, if the hour hand is at 12 or after 12 before 1, like from 12 is at 12 or 12 till 1, it shows 1 hour, it shows 1, like anywhere, it is here, 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 okay. Now tell me, if it is from 1 till 2, what hour it will show? It will know 1 till 2. It will show 1. It will show, okay? Now, if it is from, let's suppose from 3 till 4, what time it will show? What hour it will show? Ibrahim, can you repeat the question that I have asked? Look at the board because you are busy with some stuff. Huh? Because I'm asking something. I asked the question. You don't know even what I have asked. Can you repeat the question for him?
The question is how 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 many hours is 3 till 4 on the hour hand?
Okay. You know, for the minute hand, we know if the minute hand will be here, it shows this time.
Sir,
If the hour hand is, if the hour hand is anywhere from 12 till 1, it shows, we will say the hour is, I'm sorry, boys. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, it will be 12 here. From 12 till 1, it will be 12. I'm sorry, okay? From 1 till 2, it will show 1. 3 till 4, it will show 2, and so on, okay? For example, if it is from 9 till 10, anywhere, it will show 8, okay? Now, right now, this clock is in front of you. This clock is in front of you. What time it shows? You know how we write the time? Look, the minute hand is at 30. Yes, anybody can say, yes, rise. 5 hours. Look, it is, yes, it is what I will say, it is 5 because our hand is at 5. So you can say it is 5:30. But how we will read it? Excuse me. How we will read it? The way to the way to read. Let's see. I will show you the way to read, please. You know, but so many boys have no idea. Okay. So let's say, excuse me. Next, how to read the time, okay, like you can write but how you will say it, how you will say it, to say 5:30, you know, mathematically, linguistic wise, it is not good. How? Okay, okay, let's see, good. Let's see how we will say, Ziad, Ziad, on the board. Excuse me, if your minute hand, look, from 1 minute, from 1 minute till 30 minutes, we will use the word past. What word we will use? Past. Okay? For example, this one is, I can say 5:30. How I can read it? I can say 30 minutes past 5. What can I say?
you could also say
30 minutes past.
Still, you can say 7:15. Still, we can say half past 5. And also 30 minutes to 30 non-break. Still, we can also say it's half past 5.
So what I will say, 30 minutes past, oh sorry, let me correct the 30. So many time I have to turn to you to make sure that you are attentive. So I'm sorry if I make any spelling mistake. So it is 30 minutes past 5. Let's say it is written like this one. Listen, for 30 minutes we use another word. For 30 minutes we use the word, we say half, half past. Okay? For 30 minutes, what we will say? Half past. What we will say? For 30 minutes, what we will say? Okay, if we have 15 minutes, I will say quarter past. What I will say? Quarter past. Okay? Now, excuse me. For example, this one, I can say it is quarter past because 15 minutes. Quarter past 7.
It can be 15 past 7.
Yes, but the good way, linguistic wise, is quarter past. Quarter past 7. No, this is from 1 minute till 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, excuse me, South, after 30 minutes, after 30 minutes, till 60 minutes, okay? We use the word to. Use to. How? Let me say to you. Let me say to you. For example, this one is, now how you will say? Excuse me. To mean it is going to. 40 minutes mean after 20 minutes there will be 7, yes? Yes or not?
20 minutes to
Yes,
7.
we can say 20 minutes to
To 7.
20 minutes to
7.
7 because after 20 minutes it will be 7. We will say 20 minutes to 7. Okay? And for example, if you have 45 minutes, we use word for that one again quarter to.
Quarter to is it? Quarter to.
Quarter to, okay? For example, I have this one 8:45. How I will read it? There are 15 minutes that it will be 9, yes? So I can say quarter to because after 30 it is good to say 2 and minus from the total, okay? Quarter to 9 because after 15 minutes it will be 9. South, wake up and be attentive, please. Everyone, can you open your learner book, page number 31? We have this last question on that. Okay. One more thing. Sorry. Before we start, it is better if we complete all that. Uh, you know, from midnight, from midnight till midday, till we use AM. Full word is anti-meridium. Okay, meridium is actually used for the midday. Okay, anti mean before, so mean before midday. Like right now, what time it is? We are having a this time we are in the post meridian because it is 10 minutes past 12. Okay, got it or not? And then from midday till midnight,
Use PM.
we use PM, post meridium. Meridium is for again midday, mean after the midday. Okay, midday is at 12. Okay, now we are in the PM, post meridium. So now this is we are having 4 digital clocks. What time is on this one? By the way, 5:30. Yes, yes or not? I will say 5:30. What time is on this one? Anybody can say? Raise your hand, please. What time? Yes. Hmm. How many minutes? Okay, can you say?
3:25.
No. there are 25 minutes. So don't say 3:25. You can say 25 minutes past 3. How I will write it on the digital clock? Like this one, yes? Okay, who can tell this time? Raise your hand. Good boy. Yes, Talal. No, the number C, number C. Yes. Huh? Where is the minute hand? Where is the minute hand? At 3. Quarter past 5. Quarter past means 15 minutes. Yes. So I can say it is 5:15. Yes. What about this one? Yes. Iyad, your name is Iyad. Yes. Yes, Iyad.
Quarter past 6.
Quarter past 6. Mean if I will show it on the digital clock, Taha, how will it be? I will write 6:15. Very good. So now which one shows this time? This one, D? Hello? Ali? Don't do that, please.
This took my arm.
Yes, Khalid. What? Which one?
C.
Mean this one, number C. So circle this one.
Number C. 5:15.
Very good, very good, very good. Okay, boys. Now, can you open the next page, page 31? It's super easy now. We are going to the next work, please. Everyone, make sure you look here. Copy and complete the table to show the time using AM, PM. One has been done for you. The first one has been done for you. Now, someone can read it, please. Raise hand. Who is willing to read? Yusuf, can you read this? You can read from your book, no problem. If you have the difficulty to read from here, I can make the size bigger also, no problem. It's okay. Shh. Hmm. Like you will write the time and you will tell whether it is PM or AM. Okay. The first one has been done. Someone can read this one. Yes. Your name is also Yusuf. Yusuf, can you read? There are three, four Yusuf. Huh? Okay. If it is morning, it means it will be. What it will be? What it will be, Bilal? If it is the morning, in the morning, what it will be? AM or PM? AM. It means I will write AM. Yes. Okay. Now, what is quarter past? Quarter past mean what? Let me write. I'm telling you the way. First check morning or evening. Okay. No, it is quarter past. Quarter past means south. South. What are you doing? Alright. Quarter past mean if we say quarter past. Quarter past mean what? Anybody can say quarter past mean? Rafe. What does it mean when we say quarter past? Can you sit down? Yes, Rafe. How many minutes it mean when we say quarter past? Yes, Muhammad Hulmi. How many minutes? I'm just asking, tell me how many minutes when we say quarter past? Quarter past, not quarter to. 15 minutes. Be attentive and listen the teacher, please. So it is, so minutes will be 15, okay? And what is the hour? 7. So you will say 7:15 a.m. Okay. Next, quarter two. Quarter two mean 45 minutes. Good, very good. Okay, it is at night, so obviously PM. Now quarter to 10 mean after 15 minutes it will be 10. So you will say 9:45. Yes. South, you are not doing the work. Excuse me, South. You are not doing any work. You are not doing any work. Why? Now next, 20 minutes past 3. Shh. Yes, Taha. Yes, what does it mean to 10? Mean it will be 10. It is going to be 10. It is not 10. So it will be 9, okay? Understood? When we say quarter 2 or 20 minute 2, it means after 20 minutes or after 15 minutes, it will be that time. So before 10, obviously it is 9, yes? Now next 20 minutes past 3. So how will say 20 minutes past 3 in the afternoon. In the afternoon will be PM. Okay? Now complete the work then. No one can go without completing the work. Okay? Excuse me. Now next question. Completed? Okay, now next please. Look at this one. Again, it is very easy. Petra looks at the clock in the classroom. She says it is almost lunch time. Now this is the time. If you see, lunch time is obviously, this time is before 12, yes? So the time will be in the AM. And what time it is? The minutes are 45. Yes. And what hour? 11. You know how I can read it? I can read it quarter to 12 because after 15 minutes it will be 12. Okay? Yeah, please. So it is AM. Why? Because it is the lunch time and before lunch time 12, before 12, so it will be AM. Okay? Clear? Now we are back to this one. Everybody has completed. I give you the time to do that also. So look at the board. Uh, Chen goes swimming at 10 past 5 in the afternoon. You know what will be 10 past 5? It will be like this one. And now, which digital clock shows when the Chen goes to swimming? It is in the afternoon, mean PM. There is another way to write also. If if the time is in PM, just add 12. Add 12. Okay? So it will give you the 24-hour format. It will be 17:10. Then no need to write AM PM. No, in the hours. Add the 12 in the hours. There are two ways to write the. I will tell you. I will tell you. No problem. If you can, Rafe, listen, boys. There are two ways to write. One way is like writing in the form of AM PM, the digital clock shows, and the other way is writing in the 24-hour format. Okay? When we write in the 24-hour format, the best way is like we don't write PM or AM. We add 12 in the hours. It will become, but if it is AM, we write as it is.
If it is 1 p.m., then this is the clock you will see it will be 13.
Yes, for example, if it is 1 p.m., let's suppose 1 p.m., what will you see? Add 12 for 24-hour format. It will be 13, okay? Understood? So, if you see the time was 10 minutes past 5. So, it will be this one. Okay? So, if you have like in AM format, just write as it is. The digital will show as it is. But if it is in the PM format, The digital will show it by adding 12. Okay, got it? Now next, number 7. Look at this. A wall clock shows this time. What time this one is, by the way? You can see the minute clock is at 12. Yes. Okay. 12. 12 means it's 0 0. Yes. And our clock is at 6. Yes. Now you have to show what two digital clocks. One possibility, if it is AM, it will be as it is. It will be this one. Yes. But if it will be in the PM, then we add 12. Adding 12 in that one will make it 18. 18, okay, 18 will be this one. Okay.